Transform your interior spaces effortlessly with Portaline lining boards designed for DIYers. The applications of Portaline are endless. It can be used in a variety of rooms around your home and small commercial spaces, even a Pilates studio. Introducing 3 profiles: Dune, Mesa and Peak. Portaline is made from sustainably sourced FJ pine. The boards are primed, ready for painting in any colour to enhance the aesthetic of your space. They are designed to slot together, concealing the nails that fix them into place. There are curved beads in each profile for the adventurers who want to build a curved wall or piece of furniture. Lightweight and user-friendly, every DIYer can achieve professional results. Affordable and easy to install. Portaline by Porter redefines DIY and empowers you to transform your space. To find out more about Portaline, visit porter.com.au.